set for another move. Today could be an interesting day. Heading to Nebraska, and we have possible 35-mile-an-hour winds coming. And it's the first time that we're moving without a official place to stay for the evening. There's no reservations where we're headed. So, we'll see what happens when we get there. But it's about a 4-hour drive. If they have nothing available, there's quite a few campgrounds around the lake that we're headed to. It's windy already. Check your cameras.
They're all good.
Make sure we didn't leave anything. Onward to Nebraska. I brought a delicious lunch today. Bite-sized ravioli. I just dug into my amazing ravioli and there is not a single ravioli in this can. Am I losing my mind? Bite-sized beef ravioli with tomato and meat sauce. That's gotta be a screw-up. It's sauce. And now what do I do with all this sauce?
Welcome to Nebraska.
We're in Nebraska.
Just like that.
This looks cool. I know I keep saying it. I think this is the best campsite we've been at yet. little beach access off of our campsite right there. There is camping on the beach if you're brave enough down there and over there. We were thinking yes, we were gonna go down, stay on the beach in this neck of the woods, but our neighbor told us be prepared to get stuck with the tires that we have, so we'll see how that goes. We really want to do it, but this might be the last beach day before Colorado, so let's go to the beach.
Let's go.
Okay, it's a beach day. Probably the last beach day we're gonna see in a good while. Being that after here it's Colorado. Let's go see what the water feels like today. Oh, you know what? You can get down now. You're free.
Where's your ball?
You are free. You are free to pee. Coco Bean. Good girl. Look at that little dog go. This is great. Colder than I thought.
Oh yeah. Hey. Come here.
Go get it. Get the ball.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Get off my shirt. What do you think you're doing? Coco told me she was tired of the beach. I understood what she was saying by the amount of barks that she let out. If she had stopped, I wouldn't have believed her, but she didn't stop. She kept barking. So we're gonna call it quits for the beach day. So now she gets to go home. Oh, that's what I thought. That's what I thought you said. Ooh. Supposedly they're super strict about alcohol here in this park, so I chose to just drink Gatorade Zero today. That's our neighbors down there behind me. Our neighbor Gary. He has some useful tips. Thank you, Gary. Okay. Nebraska. Ah, this is cool. This is cool. Do you see this? What is going on? Wow. Welcome to Nebraska. I guess this is why you don't want to become the beach. Look at this slide.
Hey Ben, it just blew our back. Ben, come here.
Yeah?
Come here.
We gotta pull this in?
Yeah. Like,
Holy crap.
it might have just wrecked it.
How are we gonna do that?
I don't know. Not in this wind. But it could also blow that thing up.
Yeah.
So,
Alright, well, I guess I'm going out there. Holy crap.
like that. We gotta let it die down for a second.
Wow. The whole RV is shaking. The slides are being pushed in right now. Alright. We got water blowing in the window.
On your computer.
How is that even getting in?
I'll leave the camera here.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Close that door.
Hang tight. Welcome to Nebraska. Jeez.
Once again, in 2020. Hold on, yeah.
That was Network Stars. Be your victim. And then you were in the That was Network Stars. Would you have victim?
We didn't see that coming.
I don't know. Yeah.
Blow that slide.
Yeah, would you like to be out on the beach right now? Is this normal for Nebraska? No, in there you're over the wheels. Back here you got.
Seems like most of the wind is gone for now, till that comes at us.
Not too shabby, right? You know what the worst thing about this place is, though? The sand spurs. Look at how many I got from just walking. here. That's ridiculous. Look at them. It's all that's in this grass is sand spurs. Can barely let the dogs out here. That's where Coco has to stay because she's not allowed out in the grass. Because her little feet can't handle it.